Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the incredible benefits of incorporating walnuts into your daily diet. These tiny powerhouses of nutrition are packed with goodness that can do wonders for your health. So let's dive right in and explore the amazing advantages of eating walnuts daily. Let's begin with a brief review of walnuts' nutritional profile before moving on to the advantages in more detail. Omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals are just a few of the vital components that walnuts are rich in. Additionally, they're a fantastic source of fiber, protein, and good fats. Together, these minerals support a number of our health-related issues. The heart health benefits of walnuts are among its most well-known advantages when consumed regularly. Walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which can lower inflammation and raise cholesterol. This may result in improved general cardiovascular health and a lower risk of heart disease. Walnuts are not only good for your heart, but they also have major advantages for your brain. Walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for preserving normal brain function and may prevent cognitive aging. They can improve cognitive function and memory, much like brain food. Nuts can be your best buddy if you're trying to maintain or even reduce weight. Studies have shown that incorporating walnuts in your diet might really help manage hunger, making you feel full and satisfied for longer even though they have a relatively high calorie count. Healthy fats, fiber, and protein work together to improve weight management. Here's a fun fact about walnuts for you. Walnuts have a unique shape that bears a striking resemblance to the human brain. It's often said that nature gives us hints about the benefits of certain foods through their appearance. In the case of walnuts, this similarity to the brain is no coincidence. They are packed with nutrients that support brain health, making them the perfect snack for boosting cognitive function. Walnuts are rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols. These compounds help combat oxidative stress in the body, which can lead to various chronic diseases and even premature aging. By including walnuts in your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to fight off harmful free radicals. We can't forget about the importance of gut health. Walnuts contain fiber, which acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, stronger immunity, and even better mental well-being. Here's another fascinating fun fact about walnuts. Walnuts are not just great for your health, but also for the environment. The walnut tree, known as the Juglans regia, has deep roots that release juglone, a natural herbicide. This helps protect the walnut tree by inhibiting the growth of competing plants, making it a fantastic example of nature's way of taking care of itself. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification button. Thank you for viewing. Did you know that walnuts can also have a positive impact on your skin and hair? Walnuts include vitamins and minerals like vitamin E and biotin that support healthy skin and hair growth. By incorporating them into your diet, you can get a radiant, natural glow. After going over all of these wonderful advantages, let's speak about how to include walnuts in your everyday diet. You can use them to give extra crunch and nutty flavor to baking and cooking, or you can nibble on them or add them to salads and breakfast cereal. In conclusion, walnuts are a true superfood with a myriad of benefits for your health, from your heart to your brain, and even your skin and hair. So make sure to include them in your daily diet and reap the rewards of this amazing nut. That's it for today's video, folks. I hope you found this information on the benefits of eating walnuts daily helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. As always, feel free to leave your questions and comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep snacking on those walnuts.